Mamima wakwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching.
Osi yanka se Mahama ne to Galamsey na Mahama on to Galamsey. Ya Titi me catch on ne Mahama onu ne to Galamsey no. Onoa Mahama o to Galamsey. Ye wo krom ha 2024 election. And na wo ya Titi Kwasia ba wa se balu a yehu a ejo. Wo no Kwasia Captain Smart. Ekotena mo Kwasia radio so. And I must say, Ghana shoe say Galamsey o Galamsey, say Ghana shoe. Kwakubwa hen so timi kwa Galamsey site. Eko kai say. So omo bad ye pepepepe. Ye omo bema omo to Galamsey. Se Ghana for to aba mo no mo bad. Ye chinya no mo to Galamsey. Mahama so ka say sankofo na omo to Galamsey na Akuffu Addo achire omo agumo no. San oba pe obeyi yo, obi ja omo nyina. Na say Kwasia phobia or more new quajida koto abama NDC. No maba na Galamsey no guso koswa. Yankasa wouldn't no was say and they to Galamsey no. Yet it may catch or say Mahama ne to Galamsey. We are found hobra. O by who dear the bear a boofu. I shall bar honing ye butu najise kuruaba. Kwasia bar NDC for a to Galamsey or Ghana say quiet news no. That we are good, but I'm not the share MPP for. Why, yet it is one a pamonta the amount. Now, Pam saying I now got an asus interest in a pamonta the amount. And I will pamota there who pass out, who poto, when Nimuna yet is a booby and Kwasia Joseph Waba, lawyer Morris and Pausing Cancho, so ye Joseph or Juso Krobo, Kwasia will be defending Mahama, Famobra. Obama betu ye do betu form to say bidie ne de boatos wa jam tama wo nim wo hu oba be defend e ye fun ensemtro ne ya wo ye nya atwo Ghana ensemtrofo bebre bi te se wo Captain Smart ya Titi ne Kwasia fo ensemtrofo bi aka aeka wo ye nya atwo wo Nana Jantua was a one hour in Shira FM. I was a day. Baumia, and Mahama and Quaya Bako, na Omokoka Bokwasam. Yakupon bitch yaw Kawano now the cancer, first you beam. Time on knock Mahama a campaign. Now, could Gina or Peso really at all cost 20. Or shared that echo when ye jam a jar doom, no cook when ye. No, okay, can't some good shot drop at the children grow for Bokofo and almost 8 years, and it is a banner year 2024. So, when it's here, I hear about me and 00000. Nasa woo or Bonsamu da, ewo Boko, no Wako Yanena, no Bonsamu Yena Juma, not the resource of Brewa. Woo, Nana Jam to answer Tronia, woo, Yenya, Chumoka about me, I say, or Nemaham and Kambum. Na campaign what is it Baumia cancer more a jamum beba. Mahama Sembia de be free na numa by a jamum. Mutimika bibi chireno. Ah, walk catcher and say Baumian didn't wine come na Mahama no muso on the Baumian a free baby bacon. And I know a person to quest or Ghana or person to quest a warm wild crum. Now walk so wouldn't nim now Baumia deem Puma. Ube He bow me a day through one noon. Yes, I was my dear, sir. What gun and I made a boo, dear. What's an Jan to away? And then I'm forcing with Mahama, Jama Mahama, baby. So I want the air cost of Ghana. Muntiminka, Mokotna red.
No politics, don't even vote. Sure. And then near Macacrebia Kosu or Ghana, I'm a nebu mabem. Boss, I want you to, you have my videos, right? Don't worry. We will go through the videos. But I want Ghanaians to see the mistake they have done. There is this small boy called A+. I call him small boy because I know how he got up. Without an Addo, that guy would have been dead by now. Because a nekura is like a crab in semno, or that's so we are petition. Or that's so we something at the same brabo. Something his father complained about. And today, I will reveal a conversation I had with the late dad. I was like this with A+ father. Okay? And the reason why I'm in A+ Papa Beye say was because Manotrano. I spoke against him because of the anger I had towards A+. I ended up saying something unsuitable about the father. Then somebody called me and told me, say, Papa na waye nesano, or ye nipa say. So my father, my real father, called me and told me, say, Kwesi, if this is what you are going to do in politics, then I will not support it. From today, don't turn on your camera. If not, go and apologize to the man. So I found the number and I apologized to Mr. Obeng. And he was so graceful and gracious to me, to the point, say, he forgave me for speaking against him and actually told me, say, Bibi Abeka fan the banner who be I then no crack. The man actually told me, say, a free nekono, neba kwami A+ no, memboni yamu kopim so besisa. His own auntie, did the voice note to me and told me, say, Adi akwame esare ye no eyo mo wanwan. Because so kwame esare di an Kenya Akuffu Addo anka woni wan. His own uncle in London told me, Kwesi, sa kwa we die, boni yamu sa akopem so obesesa. The family gave him to me free. Yeah. And that is because of how ignoramus and arrogant that boy is. Very arrogant guy. Utiye. Very, very arrogant guy. I'm the one that forced him to go to Parliament. Oh, yes. I took 3 days to dismantle TPP. The stupid thing he claims was going to help people. I dismantled that because I went on their website and their mission statement and vision and everything is opposite to what he was doing. So I said, oh, sorry, you talk about ex gratia. You can't sit on social media and change ex gratia. You have to be an MP and go and make law and say, I want us to repeal ex gratia. We don't want ex gratia no more. Sorry, I bet now United Showbiz. I can't Kwasia because unfortunately they have found a way to pay some idiots to sit there to bastardize a government. Today he went to Parliament. First day you are sleeping. You think it's a joke? To me, Akuffu Addo, President Toyada, and this president slept, and me A+, 1 year busy. 1 year busy. 1 year busy, no. You fucking went to Parliament and slept your first day on the job. It's a Ghana for me. I'm serious. The people who looked at every candidate and voted for A+, all because of Sika Kakra no dear Indusi, thanks to Kennedy Japan. How many times has he come to see Kennedy Japan financed him? And now you've not seen his videos. He said Kennedy Japan financed him throughout this whole thing. And now, and then my program no men change to may no very short because you best start a Juma Nankasa very soon. My topic I'm there, but no more free Facebook. Very simple. You say the chaotic reset has begun. Naturally, say saka reset ya. Yenuanom eye omanpele fo no krodo so ene ntwomfo no eka ye no a started. Na mera hoba mera nhupi. Mera nhupi no very simple. And ne say eye na nka ye hunu de ebesi ena ye ntu ho fo a ene beye meya. But dia AC no ye